Today we are going to be talking about Ohandu. For proper explanation, Ohandu is a community in Ukwa East local government area of Abia State. It is a riverine community occupied by the Ndoki Igbo Clan, who are generally the indigenous owners of Ukwa East local government area of Abia State. Ohandu is a very unique community that many have not heard of. The name is literally swallowed by her more popular neighbours like Akwete, Obohia and Azumini, all in Ukwa East local government area of Abia State. So we are trying to board a bus to Akwete, and I just hope what we are going is going to be successful. So that's it. Welcome back, guys, to Untold Story Expository. So today we are going to be talking about Ohandu. So our journey started right here in Abia. We took a bus to Obehie. Then when we get to Obehie, we took a taxi to Akwete. Then when we get to Akwete, we took a bike to Ohandu. When we get to Ohandu, we had to stop at the home of the chairman of the fishermen, who gathered all the fishermen, and after much discussion, they took us to the river and showed us how they do the fishing. Okay, guys, keep on watching our videos and subscribe. So we just arrived to the Ohandu, at the place of the man that will be taking us to the river.
Watch out for it. It's going to be wonderful. It's a beautiful community, actually.
You know what? One thing you all need to do for us is to subscribe on our YouTube channels, Untold Stories, and also follow us on Facebook on Untold Stories. So subscribe and be on the lookout, because our video will be rolling out at least once in a week.
Yes,
because it's going to be a kind of full of information. So
yes,
thank you for being there for us. You guys are the main reason why we are doing this. So thank you. So we are about to head to the river for the documentary. So it's not been easy trying to convince these people about what we are here today. According to them, a lot of people have been here from the government, from the corporation. They have been here trying to, tell their stories, and after everything, they went away without no results, no tangible results. So we try to, let them know why we are here. We are not from any government, we are not from any corporation, we are an independent body. We are media men who have been going around trying to tell the stories that have been hidden for years, and that's why we are Untold Stories. So just watch out. We'll be heading to the stream. We'll be heading to the river for the fishing.
getting close to the other side. So we are moving. This is the road of the water.
Alright, guys, so like I said, we are here at Ohandu in Akwete. So we are trying to get the real story about this particular place. So
we can get Umush, we can get Ayama, we can get Manihu, we can get Obibo to Port Harcourt.
Alright, guys, so we have to enter into the river. So we're going to make sure that we get the true story why we are here today. So guys, watch out. Like I said, always stay glued with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Untold Stories, and also follow us on Facebook. And you guys are the reason why we are here, and you guys are the reason why we are doing this. So let's just get into the river. And
this river now link to Imo.
This river now
from here to Andone.
Any part of country you want to live, enter.
Yes.
This
through
river
this
can
river now you can go. From here to Horekon.
Anywhere, any country you want to live, you can pass through this river.
This
There's
is
boats, speed boats,
we are in Ohandu now.
ship,
Okay.
vessel can parade with this river. If you want to go Andone, if you want to go to River State, Bonny, Obibo, all those areas, anywhere you want to go, this place can lead you.
Okay, and but your main fishing exercise will start by June.
Yeah.
June.
Yes.
From June to November.
In November. In Quantum.
From June, any type of fish you need from June. If you came to this community, you get it.
Okay. You can see in this net. behind the river.
Okay.
Yeah.
This net, like this net
kind of
now.
net
This
now.
net now I've caught 2 small fish.
Okay.
This pen.
Okay.
This basket. This one nice spread.
We will show a little example.
Okay.
You will spread the net.
So that they will see how we make our movement. How we spread this one.
All right, guys. So we are at the main river where they do the fishery. So just watch out.
Already at the Ohandu water side, the main place where they start their fishing activity, and they're about to start. And you can see how they do it. The fishermen are here to demonstrate how the job is properly done. So I think you should watch to your viewing pleasure. Let's watch them do their thing.
We want to start. We are not talking about the fishing at mouth. Since we are talking about the fishing, we are a professional about the fishing. We want to know how to do the fishing. I don't know, man. We have so many types of fishing. Like now, the first one we are.
Facts on ground shows that during the months of June downwards, the fishermen catch huge number of fish to the extent that they barely have buyers to move them to the nearby market. This community has the capability to tackle the problem of fish in Abia, the commercial hub of Abia State. All they need is just a little footprint of development.
They will tell us what they really need. They will tell us their major problems, so that as we are moving back.
My name is Jeremiah Adolphus.
Okay. You are from Ohandu.
Ohandu.
And you are a fisherman?
Yes.
We just got to your river and we are heading back to the community. We've seen where you start your fishing activities. Please, let's get to the root of some matters now.
Okay.
Are there problems that are bothering you fishermen in Ohandu? Can you tell us some of them?
Good.
If not all of them.
Good. In Ohandu, as long as Ohandu is concerned, we are fishermen. And God in heaven bless us. We do fish. We do get so many fishes. But we are lacking so many things.
Like what?
Nets, boats, and so many other things. Hooks we're supposed to get us to accompany us to acknowledge our fishing. Right now, we want people like fishermen to get in touch to make sure we get all those materials and to enable us to feed masses.
Are you saying that in this Ohandu, you people do catch a lot of fish?
We do get so many fishes which people cannot be able to finish in buying.
How? You mean you have too much supply and less demand?
Good. We have too much of supply with less demand in our community. Okay. Therefore, we need people that are accompanying us.
What do you think is responsible for the less demand? Is it that people are not aware about what is happening here, or is it that there are no accessible roads to Ohandu? What is really the problem?
My brother, you are talking. We don't have good roads that will enable people to come and know our demand and our problems. Now we want the government to help us to make sure that our fishing will get in touch to other people so that they will follow and enjoy us.
Okay, if you get down to a place like Abia, which is Abia and Port Harcourt is actually the nearest city to you people here. People don't, the fish is very, very expensive.
Good.
In the markets there.
Good.
So how come this issue of less than, well, let me ask you this. Do you people have a preservation method? Because you now say that you have more of a supply than demand, especially around June, July, right?
Yes.
So how do you preserve your fish? Does it get spoiled? And
yes, because we do get, without people to supply, the fishes do spoil
And we are now demanding people to come and buy the fish so that we can be able to fish more.
Okay, this my brother wants to say something. Can you hand him over? You want to add something to what he's saying?
Okay.
In terms of the supply and the buying.
Like something like we need something like cold cold room.
Okay.
Because there is no light.
In our hands.
For so many years now, yes, in our hand. We don't have light. So if fish day, nobody to buy. If light day, we can put it inside the cold room
to preserve it.
Yes, so that we can go to anywhere or Abia from our customers, so that the fish will be fresh. If never no day, the fish will spoil.
Okay. So okay. You have a union here.
Yeah, yes.
Have there been any process like this issue of light? How far have you gone about it? Has it gotten to any authority that there? Because I'm hearing for the first time that there are no lights, there is no electricity here. For how many years now? Let's just get it. Can you estimate it?
Let's assume it now. 2 years. Yes. 15, Abi. Yes, 15 or 16, 15 years.
No light in our hand.
No light.
So how have you people been surviving? Your fishes have been spoiling,
yes, and all because we don't have we cannot use something like past my neighbor to power that.
Okay.
So we are lack of all those things.
Okay. Okay, you dry some.
We normally dry. Like personally, me, I get drone for my house.
Okay, where you dry?
Yes, when I cut firewood, I put it under the drone.
So what is the affordability price of your fishes? Like how can people? Do you people sell very expensive? Is it affordable?
No. People buy fish here very cheap. Yes. People buy fish, a lot of fish.
You tell us the type of fish you get from this river. And wherever, do they have names?
You have this catfish, the white one. We call it sengi. We get apple sengi. We get this catfish, ebone, atabala, that's tilapia. Asa. And ekomok, akamaburu, poke, ntuano, so many type of fish. Agere, erepu, all those fish. If you dry the fish, you enjoy this fish. But
let me ask this. It's a general question now. Where do you people think majority of your customers do come from?
Many of them from Akwete, Asa. Some people they from Abia come. Azumini side, River State, Igbo. You understand?
Majority from neighboring villages.
So would you like to penetrate into the Abia fishing market?
Why?
Yeah.
So what is your message to some of them watching this video?
We need the help. We need the help from them.
Gentlemen, this is still in Ohandu. But I'm hearing this for the first time in Nigeria, that there is a place where supply is higher than demand.
Yes.
It's quite disturbing to see how costly fish are in the market, or fish, whatever you want to put it, however you want to put it. That despite the high cost of fish in the market, Ohandu people are saying that they have more to supply, but they have lesser buyers.
Yes.
The demand is very low.
Yeah.
Now I begin to wonder, why are we complaining in Abia? Why are we complaining in Owerri? Why are we complaining in Port Harcourt? Why are we complaining in Obihie? Why are we complaining in neighboring cities here? When there is a community like this in Ukwa East local government area of Abia State, where they have more supply and less demand of fish. You see, it's good for us all to learn that the only way we can save the economy of this country, the economy of this state, Abia, and the economy of the southeast and the neighboring geopolitical zones like South, is to patronize our own, is to take cognizance of what we have in our land, is to take notice of what we can produce. Apart from the fishing you see in Ohandu, I have also discovered that it's an agrarian community.
Yes, and we have
They said they have the men local wine, the palm wine, the one the Igbos take. They also made it very clear to us that they farm a lot here. There's a lot of things you can see in this community. So it is important that the authorities who are watching us will take note of what is going on here, and now pay very much attention to Ohandu.
Yes, sir.
I call Ohandu a special town. I call it a special community. I call it a community that needs serious attention. So we call on those who supposed to do something about this to do something about it. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So we are now back from the river. The river is so huge, and always follow us on our social media handles, on Told Stories, and also subscribe to our YouTube channels, because this is where the story is going to be posted. And we thank you guys for staying with us for all this while, and we travel from Abia to this place just to get this story, and we do it on our own expenses. Nobody is sponsoring it, because this is what we want to do. We want to get the untold stories, and this place has been a fishing hub for like how many years, in a decade. Nobody is doing anything of this place. Like most of the fishermen, they say that there are times that they will have more of the fishes and less customers. So these people, they need electricity so that they may have something that is called cold room, where they will be chilling the fish when they have the unsold ones. So we are calling on the government to do something about these people, and we know that this story will go far. So guys, once you get this story, so kindly share and kindly comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thank you guys for being with us. We always appreciate your help. So thank you.